Okay, so I wanted to use this Teflon sheet and make some stencils, glue stick stencils. I've got some which I can show you, but I'll just show you how you make it. So basically you just get the glue stick and the glue gun, and then all you're going to do is do some shapes. So I'm just doing some circles. I thought I haven't got one where I've made circles, and you just make sure that place. So I brought this glue gun from a local hardware store. Oops. What's that still? It's not I want it to be too so all I'm doing is I have some coming around here. I think I'll probably do a glue gun tutorial. Let's go in a bit so that you can see it. Okay, so I've just literally done some shapes. I'll do one here. Okay, and we allow that to dry. Right now, I'll show you some of the ones I've made already. So I've got this to one side and allow it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, it will do what we need it to do. So here's some that I've made earlier. I'll show you how they look on the page. So I've literally just done kind of shapes and different looks with the glue gun, and flower shapes. Got some circles there, and obviously you're going to be using them with a spray gun. So just some random shapes, some more circles and flowers, flower shape there. So these are all, you've made them, they're your own designs. I'd like to do some with some alphabets and some bigger circles there. So it would be nice with the smaller circles that I've done. I tried to write the word love, but obviously it's going to come out back to front unless you put it that way on the paper. Just some odd shapes. So I've got loads of stencils that I can just fling down and use in a particular project. But as I say, I wanted to make some more that were just different. The other thing you can do is use packaging. So this is from packaging. So they're like humidifiers, and this was the lid. So all I'm going to do is cut around here, and I'll be able to use these as stencils on a page. So you've got some smaller circles. The other thing you can do is use like a punch. So I've got a punch here, it's one with a bird on it, and I've made this out of paper to use with a brush, but I've got some plastic ones that I've made here with the same bird on a leaf image. And then with the bits that come off in the out of the punch, you can use these as embellishments. So crafting on a budget, crafting and creating on a budget, if you use it in terms of using your imagination and thinking about how you can use things in slightly different ways, or go and source materials and things in different ways. So if you'll use a heat gun, or you need something that protective surface, or like this is one of those silicone mats, so you can do like your heat embossing, or if you're going to make some of the glue stencils, you can use something like this, or you can use a flat mat. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope I've given you some ideas in which you can use. See you then, bye.